Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing All Season Body Wash by a company called Cremo. It says that it's astonishingly superior. This body wash's particular flavor is silver water and birch. I'm not exactly sure what silver water is, but I do know what birch is. And what they're saying is it is a light, refreshing scent with notes of spring water, lavender, and white musk. I'm not sure what spring water smells like either, but okay. One of the key features with this, it forms a rich lather, it's moisturizing, and it's lightweight. You don't want to be washing with heavy weight. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the back and see what they say. On the outside, they have their little wax type of trademark on here. It's not really wax, I think it's some sort of plastic that they put on there to make it look like wax that goes on a stamp. I'm not sure why they do that because I don't plan on mailing this anywhere, but okay. Alright, so it comes in this bottle right here. And before I unbox it and open it up and tell you what it smells like, I'm going to go ahead and flip it on the other side. Let's go ahead and turn it on the other side. Alright, on the back it says Cremo Silver Water and Birch All Season Formula balances for all season and dry winter. In the dry winter, you need more moisture to prevent flaking, itching skin. In humid summer, you want something crisp and light and breathable. Cremo delivers the just right formula so you'll feel thoroughly moisturized without that heavy waxy feeling. Perfect for all seasons. So here it is. Right here it says it contains natural essential oils that can cause normal variance in color between varieties. Not exactly sure what that means. Cremo is known for their shaving cream, but they have entered into the body wash market. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it smells like. So I'm going to unbox it by coming up to the top, pressing where? What does it say right here? It says press. So I'm going to press this, and I'm going to go ahead and smell it. I'm going to bring it up here so you can smell it too. So bring it up here, smell it, squeeze it just a little bit, just allow some air come to you through the screen. And it smells like silver water and birch. Very light, refreshing scent with notes of spring water and lavender and white musk. Smells fresh, smells good. That's the unboxing of Cremo All Seasons Body Wash. They have different flavors. You should check them out. Let me know if you have any questions.